Hello everyone, and welcome to Babylon Leather's official channel. Today, we'll be sewing a Lychee pattern leather card holder. Here is the display of the finished result. First, inspect all materials. If any issues arise, contact Babylon official support. If there are no issues, please start making. This video shows the old version of the card holder kit. In the old version, the materials have a leather front side and a suede back side. The current kit has been upgraded to a new version. In the new kit, the materials have a leather front side, a PU leather back side, and the edges are oiled. Let me demonstrate how to distinguish the front and back sides of this material. Distinguish the front and back of the leather by looking at the holes: larger holes for the front, smaller holes for the back. Place these two materials with their front sides together, aligning the hole positions. Start sewing at these hole positions. Measure the thread to be 4 times the length of the sewn part, then cut it. Each time, you can measure a bit more thread to ensure that there is more than enough available. Thread the needles. Begin threading the needle by passing the thread through the needle eye. Then, pass the needle tip through the middle of the thread. Tighten it, and that completes the threading of the needle. Thread the other needle using the same method. Begin sewing by threading the first needle through the first pinhole. Pull both threads to ensure they remain the same length. Then, take one of the needles and loop the thread around it once like this. Take another needle and loop the thread around it once as well. Then keep sewing with the double needle sewing method. After each stitch, tighten the thread while maintaining a consistent stitching direction. Be careful not to catch the thread. Don't skip any holes. Make sure to pull the thread vertically to avoid damaging the leather material. Pay attention to these points every time you sew. No more hints later. Complete the sewing process using this method. After finishing the sewing, loop the thread around using the same method. After sewing, secure the thread. Begin by sewing one additional stitch backward to reinforce. Then thread all the needles through to the same side. Leave a 3 mm thread tail, cut it, and use a lighter to burn the end to secure the thread. Use a lighter to burn the end to secure the thread. Slow down to avoid blackening the thread end or burning the leather. Then take this material, place the backs of the two materials together, aligning the holes. Ensure that the side of the larger material with the snap aligns with the side where the smaller material is wrapped with thread. Note that the larger material has one extra hole compared to the smaller material. This is correct. Align the bottom holes of the two materials. Measure the thread to be 4 times the length of the sewn part, then thread the needles. Note that we are only sewing these two layers of material together. Let's start sewing. For the first stitch, pass the needle through the first hole of the larger material. Have the second needle pass through the adjacent holes in sequence. Pull both threads to ensure they remain the same length. Then keep sewing with the double needle sewing method. It would be better to secure it with a clip before sewing. Ensure to align the holes before fixing. Complete sewing this half circle of holes. After sewing, secure the thread on the inside. Then take this material and place the backs of the two materials together, aligning the holes. Measure the thread to be 4 times the length of the sewn part, then thread the needles. Start sewing from the first hole, then loop each needle with the thread once like this. After finishing the sewing, loop the thread around using the same method, then secure the thread on the inside. If the needle is stuck, wiggle it in the middle of the material before pulling to avoid breaking it. Then secure the thread on the inside. The interior of the finished bag is made of PU leather, with oiled edges. Appreciate your choice of Babylon leather. Thank you for choosing us. If you've enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. For more information about this DIY leather kit, check out the link in the bio. Thanks for watching.